Howdy folks, Code here with Sojourn Gear, and we are talking about our mini zip pouches. These are super handy. They're sized to fit in our clip-a-zine pockets, and you still got room for your clip-a-zines, which is essential in this day and age. So you got your clip-a-zines, and then behind there, you could put our little mini zip pouch. Look at that, isn't it cute? And it's tied off to my retention tab in case I drop it. Oh, excuse me. And as you can see, it's about the size of your standard clip-a-zine, so it'll fit in most of your M4 type pouches to give you an idea on size. And so I'm gonna stow this out of the way. So we're making these in a couple colors. As you can see, this is red one, so I'm gonna use this for my first aid kit. And we got a tie down on either side and a nice zipper. And so in here, just for example, I have a rat's tourniquet. I got a little bit of gauze and tape and an ace bandage. And I should probably stick some antibiotic ointment in there as well. But just to give you an idea, you could use it for a little first aid kit pouch. So kind of cool. On this one, I have an orange one, super bright hunter orange. It's kind of neat. And just to show you a different way of attaching it, I have this shoelace that is kind of stretchy. So it's kind of cool that way. And you could even run a little like carabiner. So if you wanted to give this to a friend or something, you could quickly take it on and off, which is kind of a cool option. And this orange one could be a signal device in and of itself. So you could be like, hey, party in the woods. You know what I mean? So it could be kind of a cool option there. You could use this for all kinds of different stuff. I have just a few signaling devices in this pouch here. So you got something like a whistle. Oops. Like this, like, it's like, hey mom, I'm over here. So that's cool. It may be a lighter. I got a glow stick here. Maybe a little pen light could be handy. And then keep in mind, guys, in all of these zipper pouches, there's a tie down on either side in the bottom. So on this side, I have my little fire starter on one side, and then I have my water purification tablets on the other side. So take advantage of those. Keep your equipment nice and organized and tied off. It's a really cool option. So don't forget about the tie downs on the inside. So that's my little signal pouch. Or if you wanted to have these nice bright colors inside of your backpack, they're easy to see, easy to find quickly. So that could be a really cool option too. It's nice having the different colors. So God forbid somebody gets hurt, it's like, quick, grab the red one. That's the first aid kit. Or grab the orange one. This is a signal kit. So really nice to have the different colors. This is a multicam one. And as you can see here, I just have some 550 cord tied through the loops. So you could, you could wear it like a little mini purse or wallet or something like that. So another way to use it. And this is an idea, this is not included, but just so you get an idea, this is a little toggle. And if you're ever worried about the zipper coming open accidentally, you could find yourself a little toggle and tie it through the zipper pull like that. Then you could run it through this little loop here. You can get it through. That way it'll kind of keep that zipper from coming open accidentally. So kind of a cool option that you can think about. So in this one, I have my weapons cleaning kit. So I have all of my rods and brushes in a rag, and I have my patches and a little bottle of lube and stuff like that. And I still have room for if you had a couple of tools or any other little items, you still got some wiggle room, which is really neat. So the mini zip pouch, available at sojourngear.com. Thank you guys for your support and have a great night.